one bedroom here at Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa. Give you a quick little room tour. Has a full kitchen, full-size refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, all your utensils. Does have a washer and dryer in the unit. Little dining area here. The main living area, living room. They do have the pull-down beds underneath the TVs now. TV. One of the balconies. This is room 882. Sorry for the sun glare. We will have a very pretty sunset this evening. Overlooking the pools, the lazy river, the ceremonial house, check-in. This is in the Iwa Tower. You can look out over the lagoon there. And also, this balcony here attaches to the bedroom. So two little unattached balconies. There's closet space here before you go into the bedroom with a safe. And this is the king size bed here in the one bedroom master suite. Little Disney touches. Has a little desk area, TV. Again, this second balcony here, same view as the other one. It's going to be a beautiful sunset. I'll add that in this video. The bathroom has a large jacuzzi tub. A little vanity area in this part. This closes off. It has a walk-in shower with a rain head. The other vanity, and it wraps on back around into the kitchen. This is a one-bedroom DVC villa here at Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.